Good day everyone, hope all is well. For those who are new to this channel and who just recently saw me on Facebook, my name is Francis De Chavez. Family and friends call me Rusty. I'm a nurse and I work full-time, but I put a lot of thought and interest in cooking, hence I'm doing these things. I'm originally from Batangas City in the Philippines. Batanggenyo po ako, and but I grew up in Las Piñas. Today I'm going to show you how I cook and prep taho or desert tofu. The dish is pretty much a snack or a dessert. People love it. Usually eaten in the morning in the Philippines for some reason. This is what I'm going to show you today. I believe the food or the dish originated from southern China when the Chinese immigrant went to the Philippines way back. So this is what I'm going to show you today, so keep on watching. Just quickly want to show you my setup, mga gagamitin ko, and mga ingredients. So we have here the desert tofu, which you can easily buy in Chinese supermarket here in the UK. Maraming Chinese store dyan sa town. And tapioca pearl. I'm gonna use a caramel syrup, water, and sugar. Tapos lalagyan natin ng mint, is just for decorative purposes. Now let's start by making the syrup or arnibal. Pan into the cooker, set it up to 100 degrees. Add 1 cup of sugar and wait till it starts to melt. At this point, when sugar has caramelized, I will add a cup of sugar and let it melt again and let it boil. Now the syrup is ready, or the arnibal. We can turn the heat off. At this point, I will add a teaspoon or 2 of caramel syrup just for an added flavor, and we're done. Same pan na rin, just add water. And let it boil. Once the water is boiling, pwede na nating ilagay ang tapioca. I would just add maybe a cup. It says in the packet mga 3 to 5 minutes to cook, so we're just gonna wait until it's fully cooked. In the meantime, i-transfer na natin itong ating silken tofu na binili natin sa Chinese supermarket. It doesn't need heating or anything, just straight from the packet, galing sa fridge. Yan, after 5 minutes, luto na ang ating sago or tapioca pearls. Pinili ko yung colorful na sago. Meron nabibili din na black, but this one is more attractive, kaya ito ang aking binili. Yan, assembly na natin. Dito tayo maglagay sa parang sundae glass. So, lagyan natin ng tofu. Ito yung ating desert tofu. Yan, siguro mga 3/4 or just over half. Splitin ko ito para kay Mrs. yung isang portion. Yung anak namin, hindi naman kumakain. So, yan. Ating tofu, lagyan natin ng syrup. Mas madali siguro kung sinalin ko na lang ng buo. But here you go. We're nearly there. Yan. Tapos, lagyan natin ng sago or yung ating tapioca sa ibabaw. Paborito ko itong sago. Nung maliit ako, I usually ask mom to make sago. Matamis na sago. Yan. Kung gusto niyo po ng generous amount of syrup, so, lagyan pa natin ng konti sa ibabaw. Tapos meron akong ditong mint, is more on decorative purpose para lang ba magkakulay siya. Lagyan natin siya sa ibabaw. Oh, here you go. Ang ating taho. Here you go. Yan na po ang ating tofu. Desert tofu or taho. Dalawang portion tayo. One for the missus. So sa 500 grams packet ng ating tofu ay nakagawa tayo ng dalawang portion. So just for future reference po sa inyo kung kayo ay magpe-prepare. And then tikman na natin. Ayan, tikman na natin itong taho kasi nung isang araw pa ako nagkikrave dito. So ayan po, tanggalin natin itong mint. Halu-haluin natin para madurog yung silken tofu. Ma-mix siya ng ayos. Tikman nga natin. Masarap. Sabi nga nila, craving satisfied. Nung isang araw pa ako nagkikrave dito. Kaya lang, ngayon lang ako naka-day off. So, kaya gumawa ako nito. And hopefully, na-share ko ito sa inyo. At nagkaroon kayo ng idea kung paano. I mean, sabi ng iba, madali lang naman gumawa nito. But I always say, taho, cook and prep my way. Ngayon po, kain po tayo. And as again, salamat po sa panonood. And for more videos, abangan lang po ang aking YouTube channel at saka doon sa aking Facebook. Meron po doon mga short clips. Maraming salamat po and enjoy your day.